welcome.
How are you?
How are you?
Thank you so much, sir. I appreciate it.
Whatever money we make today in this video, I'm gonna get in the car and I'm gonna give it away after this trading session ends. Guys, today we're going to give away money, both to you and to random people who are less fortunate after today's session. And hopefully it's a good session and we make some money. So let's go ahead, guys. You're gonna see some day trading and you can probably already familiar with this chart behind me. I do not day trade like I used to before, but I'm just, nibbling here and there and staying busy. But guys, my main capital is focused on the long term, on swing trading. And a lot of you are also following that. But a lot of you also don't have that capital to be able to follow that. So with that being said, I'm going to share with you guys how you can do it with small capital on the daily. But before I begin, let me just tell you straight to your face. This is the worst style of trading ever. Day trading in general. Because most traders have the wrong expectations. They don't have a purpose when they trade. Like today, I do have a purpose. My purpose is to make the money and then go give it away. Most people don't have the purpose, or they have an exaggerated purpose. And, before they know it, they spiral down and they've quit. So you need to have a purpose, and that will save you in the long run. It will save your trading career if you have a purpose. Whatever, holiday, car, these are purposes. So you need to trade for a purpose so your mind knows what you're trading for, and it will actually behave in a way that is protective of the account rather than going on the offensive constantly because you want to make the millions and you want to follow what these marketing gurus are telling you that you'll make from the markets. With that being said, guys, let's get right into it. Smash that like button. I'm going to give away $100 to random comment here and a person that's following me. So drop the comment and I'll see you guys in the next clip because we're going to jump onto the computer. That being said, let's go right into it. Do not blink in this video. So here's our NASDAQ US Tech 100 and all I need is the chart. So let's go ahead, guys. Let me start fresh here. I'm going to just stay with the 1 hour time frame and the 15-minute time frame. So here goes the hourly. The hourly looks like it's a support level. If we just get this line, and here it is. This is the body of this green candle and this wick. Okay, so that's perfect. It's gonna make up for a good buying opportunity here. So I've zoomed into 1 minute. Okay, but I can zoom out to 5 minutes now and even find support on 5 minutes. Same thing. I'm gonna get the same thing. Remember what we said? We said that we're looking for, and by the way, there's a channel dedicated to this style of trading. I'll leave in the description of this video in case I don't release videos here. Tutorials wise, then you'll find the tutorials there. This is mostly for small account traders. You would use small capital with this. So again, we're looking for the cross sign, and here's one, and there's a body right here that we can use as support, and we're right next to it. We're very close. One more candle before a potential push to the upside. So what makes us certain here of that playing out? Well, because this is the algorithm, right? What you see in front of you is all based on algorithms. The market works like that. It's you do something and something else is affected. In this case, there's a drop and then it hits this buying pressure, and that's where it causes a rally to the upside. So this is our support level. So now we have our support. We can zoom into 3 minutes if we want, and we can see that on 3 minutes we have a potential reversal playing out. But there's always liquidity in these kind of plays. So there will be a dip to this wick. So that makes up for a short position. I'm going to go ahead with this thesis. And it's not just a thesis I made up, but the more you trade, the more you start to see that you're actually as one with price action. And that's what you're trading here, is simply price action. So I'm going to go with 10 contracts, guys. Okay, so there it is. As soon as I open 10 contracts, up now $20. So I'm going to start closing them by putting the buy back button. So I press sell. Now I'm going to buy it back. So this will be called a short position. So on the next dip, okay, there's one closed and here's another closed. That's around $40, and now I'm going to buy it back. Okay, so there it is. Same 10 contracts. Look how much I'm using here. Just less than $1,000 for my margin. That's how much this trade costs. So we're already up $50, and here's another 50 coming. Beautiful. And sell. and sell. That's $150 made in this video, guys. Simple, just like that. And it was all based on just one little candle. Hopefully you're enjoying this so far. Actually, we're done with this video. I've set out a target, and now we're going to go give the money away. But $150 made. Now, if you want to learn how to do this, there's plenty of tutorials in the new channel I'm dedicating for the small guys. And even, look guys, even then, it's pushing further. That's the beauty of scalping. But you can also lose just as quick. So you have to be, I guess, do not trade with capital more than what you can. I guess you can start with 1,000, and when you have 1,000, you can probably trade 10 contracts. Only trade 1. So let's go give the money away, guys. Come. Take.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Take. Call the other guys. Call more. Yeah, go, bring.
Jerome, mamaya na yan.
Alright, there's more coming. Hey guys, how are you? Come.
Yes.
Come.
How are you?
How are you?
Thank you so much, sir.
Yes. Okay, we did say everybody. Salam. Your name is Jesus. Isa. Good, here, take. Alright, salam, bye-bye. His name was Jesus. That's cool. I think he's from Philippines. Only the Philippines do. Come. Yeah, take.
Thank you so much, sir.
No problem.
77.
Okay. Take me to the, I want to do the wheels, please, yeah?
Sir, just go there, I will help you.
Okay. Is it closed at the back? Can I do a U-turn or
Yes, sir, you can.
thing? There's more coming there. He brought the whole gas station. Okay. Come. Here.
Thank you so much.
No problem.
Sir, it's all done.
Okay, Jesus,
Thank you,
come.
sir. Have a good day, sir.
Come.
Thank you.
Take more. You as well. Jesus, come. Okay. See you.